Okay, today we will present a demo for the UPOV PVP DUS exchange module. We'll present two scenarios. The first one would be to go through the different steps of this workflow. We start from the stand request for information, we'll provide the information, and then we'll raise the request. After that, the provider PVP officer will accept the request. We'll make the report available, and after everything is cleared, the report can be downloaded. In this case, the report is not available on the platform. So this is the first case. The second case would be when the report is available on the DUS exchange module, and then the requesting PVP office will start directly from the step number 3 to raise the request and so on.
Let me explain how to rail DUS test request to other UPOV member. This application is newly filed, and now we start to rail DUS test request like this. Yeah, and then we make a new request from here. We select the for this application this DUS test as conduct and in Japan, so we will select the Japan. And here we can select some options. For example, in this DUS report available and would you willing to provide to us? For this application, I select two options like this. And here we can give some comments or not, up to you. And then submit.
In this demo, I will play the role of Japan. You can see here that I'm connected as test PVP Japan. And then I can see there the request raised by Vietnam just now, as shown by Ms. Ha. I see the request status as new. In this part, I will go to provide the information that it is needed. You can see here that only the questions selected by Ms. Ha are displayed here for Japan. So if the report is available, and would you be willing to provide it to us? And then if the DUS examination is in progress, and then you will be willing to provide the DUS report to us once it is available. So what I would say, so actually in this example, I would say that the report is ready. And then I would say, okay, so I can here, for example, put the procedure information on this part, okay? And then after that, please find our terms and conditions. And then I will submit. Now the status of the request is information provided. So we'll see now what will happen at Vietnam side.
In Vietnam side, I show the new responsible from the Japan side here. You can see info provided. And now we start with next step. In this dashboard, we will information, we can download the attachment. Okay, and we can check the file attachment, and then grade the request. Here, we can provide some information on applicant. And give some comment, for example, the fee for the exchange. Or other information necessary. And we can choose the file to attach here if necessary and submit. It's okay.
On Vietnam side, I can see that the request is now raised. I can see the details that the third-party payer is the name of app, and then the request was raised. I will accept the request. When I accept the request, there is an obligation to click to link to a report commitment. Either the report is available or in progress, there should be a placeholder for the report information. So I will click on there. There is no report found for this one, so I need with specific criteria like the breeder, the denomination, etc. So I will add a new report for that one. So as Japan, I'm the report owner. There is no foreseen report date because the report is available. This is what I said before. I will just put the name of the breeder. And then I will be able to choose file and then download my report. So I will just put it there. And then I will submit. So now there is a placeholder for this report information. The report is uploaded. I will submit my acceptance to the request. Now you see that the report is accepted. However, at this stage, even if the report is available, I haven't yet granted access. So let's see what happens on Vietnam side.
Yes. In Vietnam side, we see something new from the Japan side. Here we can see the request status raised. Let me see it. We can see the DUS request was accepted, but we cannot download the DUS test report anymore.
On Japan side, I can grant the access at this level. And then say that, for example, access granted. This way, Vietnam will be able to download the report. Now the request status is fulfilled, and then the report is downloadable. We can see that also at Vietnam side.
Yes. Okay, in Vietnam side, we can see the new status with the DUS that request. You can see they're fulfilled. So we click here to check. And Japan side has already the grant for the DUS request. We can see here. DUS request was fulfilled and accept granted. Now we can download the report, DUS report here. Okay, we can see them.
Okay, so now we go to the second scenario where there is a report for received application. The report is available on the platform. So first of all, we have to see in the platform and search for this specific variety. So over to you, Ms. Ha.
Yes. If the DUS test report is available in the platform, we can search in this module. Here, we can put the denomination of the variety, example. Test DUS algorithm and find. Here, we can see this application and we put expand raise request. Yeah, we can make some comment here. For example, applicant and some comment if necessary, and here we can click to link application to find the number of the application number. And in this part, we can see the test DUS algorithm here, and here link applicable and submit. It's okay.
As Japan, what I can see in the request for my available report, this request raised just now by Vietnam for the test DUS Agari. The request is here, and then the request was created at this level. So there where we can have the possibility to discontinue the request or to close the request at this level. Okay. As the request was accepted and the DUS report is not yet uploaded, I need to upload the DUS report. So I will go to my report. I will look for the test DUS Agari. And here I have the possibility to upload the DUS report. I will choose the file, my report. Okay. And then this is the report related to this specific variety. So now the report is loaded into the system. And then when I go back to the request, I will be able to grant the access.
Okay, from Vietnam side, in my raise request, we can see the DUS test report from Japan was accepted. And now we can expand here. But we cannot download the DUS test report anymore.
At Japan side, I would grant the access here. It's granted. I will submit. So that now the request status is fulfilled, and then the report is ready for download.
Yes, okay. In the num side, in my raised request, we can see the DUS test report was fulfilled in request status, and we can download it. Now we download it. DUS test report.